Okay student, I hope many questions found difficulty while solving the place value problem. So in exercise 1.2 I am going to solve some question regarding the question which many students are write down wrongly. First of all, I have already said to you that you have to learn Indian place value chart and international place value chart very well. If you don't learn it, then how you can represent the number in its proper format? For example, many of the students don't understand the difference between Indian place value chart and international place value chart. So here I am going to demonstrate again what is the difference between Indian place value chart and international place value chart. This is Indian place value chart. Place value chart. This is international. Okay. In both place value chart, value 1 is present in both cases, and the value of 1s is divided into 3 groups. You know already what are the 3 groups. First one is called ones, second one is called tens, and the third one is called 100. Ones, tens, 100. And you know already that ones means 1, tens means 10, 100 means it represents 100 value. Okay, I hope you have cleared this part. Now when we are going to move next place in Indian place value charts, after ones, what the place come? 1000 place come. And in Indian place value chart, 1000 place is divided into 2 parts. One is called ones thousands, other is called 10,000s. Okay. Similarly, after 1000, this place come lakh, and after that crore. And again is divided into 2 places. One is called ones, other is called tens. Similarly, crore is also divided into 2 parts, called 1 and other is called tens. But in international place value chart, after ones it comes 1000, same as Indian place value chart. But here is the difference. In international place value charts, it divided into 3 categories. First one is 1, second one is tens, and the third one is called 100. After 1000, next place is called million. In Indian it is called lakh, here is called million. And million also divided into 3 parts. After million, billion will become. Okay. So you have to know the proper name of both place value chart. And it again divided into 3 parts. That is ones, tens, 100. Now after knowing all this chart representation value, you have to know how we can read a number in international as well as Indian. So I am going to write down some example in both places so you can easily understand. Look carefully and try to understand what I am going to tell you. Okay, I am writing down some numbers like 1 to 9, 8, 4, 7, 6, and here I will write down 3, 4, 2, 7, 6, 3, 2. Now pay attention to our boards please. Whenever any numbers is given to your question, what should you do? You first represent the following number in proper format. For example, if in the question this number is asked to write down in words, or the question asks you to expand the following number, then how will you expand if you don't know its place value? Okay, so it is very important you to know its place value name. Okay, so after you learn the place value name, you have to apply these knowledge in the following number. How you can do it? First you have to write it in proper format, means you have to arrange the following digits into groups like this. Ones represent 3 digits, thousand represent how much digit? 3, million represent 3 digits, and billion represent 3 digits. When you arrange the following numbers in the proper format, then it will be easy for you to convert this number into any words or expandable form. Okay. So here I am going to convert. You can see the first place value is ones, divided into 3 parts. That is unit, tens, hundred. It is called ones, it is called tens, it is called hundred. After 100, which place name is come? Thousand. And it also divided into how many digits? 3 digits. So we group it into 3 digits. And the first digit is called 1000. It comes under which place? Thousand. And first one is represent 1. So it is called 1000. It is called 1000. Okay. It is called 10,000, and it is called 100,000. For the simplicity, I have write down in the proper format. After 1000, which place is come? Million. And million first digit is 1 million. That means 3 is come under which place? 1 million. O means ones, M means place value, 1 million. Okay. So if the following digit, if we are going to write down in words, what should we write? 3 comes in which place? Million. So we write as 3 million. Now you can see 4 is come into which place? 1000. And these 3 digits come into which group? 1000 group. So when we combine this 3 digit, only these 3 digits, try to see when we combine these 3 digits, we can say 427. Yes or no? Yes. How this 427 comes, you can understand here. 4 comes in 100 place, so we multiply 4 into 100. Then we add 2 comes in which place? 10 place, so we multiply 2 into 10. 7 comes in which place? 1 place, so multiply 7 into 1. When we add, we get, what is it? 427. But this disease comes under which place? 1000 place. So we say that 427,000. So we write 427,000. This part is complete. Okay. Similarly, the remaining part is 632. That is called 632. 3,427,632. 632. This is the proper format of writing down the following number in international form. Never compare this value with this. Okay, why? Because in both case, after one place, the 1000 in here divided into 3 parts, but in Indian it divides into only 2 parts. So let's come into Indian place value chart. First we have to arrange the following digit in proper format. That is ones comes under which digit? 3 digits. So first digits come under ones place. After that 2s and 2s. Now when we place the following digit place value name, it's come ones, tens, 100, 1000. It it is called 10,000, it is called lakh, it is called 10 lakh. Okay. When lakh and 10 lakh, when these two digits are combined, we can say 12, and these digits come under which place? Lakh. 12 lakh, and these two digits comes under which place? 1000. 12 lakh 84,000. 4,000, and it is called 476. Sorry, THUSND 4,476. 476. I hope now you get the clear picture of both the number, that is how we can write the following number in international form and Indian form. This question maximum students are solve it wrong, that's why I repeat it again. Now you have to see and practice so that you can master while converting any number into desired form. Okay. This is the other topic in which maximum students solve it incorrectly. First, you have to understand what is face value and place value. Face value means the digit itself. Whenever in any question, if the question asks the face value of its digits, then the digit itself is the answer. Whereas in place value, the place value of the digit will be the answer. You can see in the board, there is an example 538621 where 386 I mark with circle, red circle, and we have to find the difference between face value of 3 and 6. So listen very carefully. If the question asks what is the face value of 3, then we can write as face value of 3 will be the digit itself. Face value of 3 will be the digit itself, that is 3. But if the question asks place value of 3, then what should be the place value of 3? We should write the notation of the digit according to place value. That is, 1 is come under which place? 1s to come in tens, it is come 100, it is come 1000, it is come 10,000, and it is come lakh. Means 3 comes under which place value? 10,000. So we multiply 3 into which 10,000. The answer will be 30,000. Now the question asks subtract the value of 3 of face value and place value, then we subtract 30,000 with 3 and we get the answer to 9997. This is the difference between face value and place value of the digit 3. Okay, so don't confuse. Whenever the question asks you write the face value of 3, its definition means itself is the digit of face value. Whereas when the place value of 3, when we are going to find out, then we have to see the digit 3 come in which place. That is, in this case 3 comes in under the place of 10,000. So we multiply the digit with its place value, that is 10,000, and what we get the answer. We should multiply this answer with the face value of 3. That is the desired answer of the required solution. Okay, I hope you got the answer. Solution copy is provided just given below. You should write it in fair copy. Okay, after correcting your all mistakes in your rough copy. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.